Hey everybody, sorry I missed day 6, but now is today, day 6, and day 7. Here we go. There's day 7, and here is day 6. Alright, let's unwrap these guys. Alright, number 6, day 6. This was yesterday, my bad, but we got home from the show and crashed. So what beauteous thing do we have in here? Ooh. Aubergine. It is the opaque epoxy pigment. My eyeballs, they don't work so well. Aubergine. And number 7. Get this puppy open. More glitter. I love glitter, guys. I love it. Cupid. Ooh, I think this is, or is this pearl, like shell pieces? What is this? I don't know. It doesn't say, but it's beautiful either way. It's hard to get a good view of that with this camera. It's picking up everything else, but they pretty. Thank you, Create and Bloom. Bye.